Hey babe, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a relaxer update, a relaxer day routine, and a Q&A on relaxed hair. So all these videos in one, 3 in 1. And also there'll be timestamps down below in case you have a specific thing that you came for. I had really short hair for like years on end. During that time, I would always Google how to have long relaxed hair, and the trends that were there: rice water, mayonnaise in your hair, eggs. In all honesty, it didn't work. I want to say it worked. I was deceiving myself. It was a placebo effect, because at the end of the day, I still did the same thing that damaged my hair in the first place. About 2 years ago, I started my channel. My very first video was a relaxed hair routine. After that point, I think I got carried away with trying to make hair content, so I missed the whole point of what I was trying to do. And I noticed my hair started frying because I used a lot of heat on my hair, because I'm doing a tutorial of how to straighten your hair, and then my hair would be like stiff. It started cutting off. I started losing hair, mostly because of stress from school too, but like I wasn't taking care of my hair, I wasn't taking care of myself. So there was a space of time where I never did any hair content on my channel. I just let my hair rest. One example of that is taking down my 3-month-old cornrows. I just let my hair rest. Like, I took care of it in those 3-month-old cornrows. I washed it, but I never really touched it. I never manipulated it. I just left it alone. And then my hair started growing back. It started getting back to itself. I reduced the amount of straightening I did. I think, like, I've not straightened my hair this year. I don't think I have. Have I? I've increased the amount of time I relax. Before, I thought that, okay, I'm just going to relax 2 times a year. Managing that line of demarcation, my hair is naturally very full. Imagine me dealing with line of demarcation and then the roots are really thick. I couldn't deal with it, so I just increased it to every 12 weeks I would relax my hair. And then the way I relax my hair changed, because now I use coconut oil on my ends, so my ends still, the runoff from the relaxer does not over process my hair. My hair is finally past my shoulder. Like, it was always on my shoulder. I'm waiting to get to like brow length. Like, that's when I knew that I've achieved something in this life. In December, I am planning on cutting my hair. Not cutting like big chop cutting, like trimming my hair into a bob. So I'm going to try and take care of it as much as possible. Then like go to an actual stylist. Not the mistake I made in my other video. Go to an actual stylist and ask them to like relax my hair, straighten it, cut it into a bob. I deep condition as much as I can. Anytime I take down my braids, or even as I'm having cornrows under my wig, I make sure I deep condition every week with my cornrows. Then every time I take down my hair, I deep condition. Every time I relax my hair, I deep condition. So the deep conditioner I use is the ORS Hair Mayonnaise. I used to use the Mega Group deep conditioner. That's still a good deep conditioner, but I don't know, I feel like I'm both getting moisture and a protein treatment from this hair, because after relaxing your hair or having relaxed hair, your protein bonds are being broken, so your hair will stay straight. That's basically what I do and don't do. Yeah, this part of the video is where I relax my hair. Basically, it's just morning and I just woke up and I'm just, yeah, I don't know how it happened, but I always end up using this brand of relaxer. It comes with a bunch of stuff. Hair mousse comes with 2, oh my god, what fell? Oh my god, something, the activator, it poured. It comes with 2 shampoos. I have this shampoo version of it. I really like it. It smells nice, it feels nice. I don't know, it feels so nice. This is the best shampoo I've used. I don't know about any other shampoo. Next thing it comes with is conditioner. This thing is moisturizing hair lotion. Then the relaxer itself. In preparation for like the relaxing, I always put like Vaseline on my scalp to minimize the burning, but I can't find it, so I'm just going to use like this remaining coconut oil. It's like finished, but like I just saw it and I was like, okay, I don't know whether this is a bad idea, but I'm just gonna use it. I'm just going to like use my fingers, divide, and then just like apply just it to the like my skin, try and avoid the hair. I didn't really put much of anything because I'm not sure what will happen if I use coconut oil. So now I'm going to mix the relaxer. So we're back, and this is the best relaxer they have had. Like, since I started being conscious about like relaxing my hair, this is the best relaxer they have ever had. First thing is coconut oil works. Coconut oil works better than Vaseline. Use coconut oil. If you have sensitive skin and your skin burns easily, relax. Like, this is the conditioner that came with it, and it has its own like bottle, the way the other one has this bottle, and I'm still going to get it. It smells so nice. It feels so nice. When I washed my hair was so soft. And something about this shampoo in the sachet form is that it's very, very drying. It's very, very harsh because it's trying to get relaxer off your hair. So I get the whole harsh thing. The bottle is not as harsh, so you can use it as a normal wash day. But like, this was so, the whole moisture came back. My hair was smooth in the shower. I applied the Mega Growth leave-in. So I'm going to apply this heat protectant on my hair. Yeah, so my dryer has spoiled, and this is as dry as it's going to get. This hair is like, it relaxed so well. My hair is thicker, longer, so much better, and I'm so happy that I was able to like revive it from how it was falling. It was literally falling out. It was breaking it was literally going through a lot. So we're here for the Q&A section. If you see me looking down, obviously I'm looking at the questions that you sent me. I asked you a question on my Instagram stories, and you guys actually asked some questions. So the first question is, my hair is always itchy. What do I do to try and solve that? My hair at some point last year too, my hair was extremely itchy, and I didn't understand why, because I don't have dandruff. I think mostly maybe it was because of like the tension on my hair from the new braids, or like my hair was wet and then I didn't dry it well. I honestly don't know why my hair was itchy, but I have a solution for why my hair was itchy. I've said this before, but I use the Mega Growth and dandruff therapy. Anytime my hair is itchy, I just put this on and it stops. Like, it just 1 minute later, 30 seconds later, it stops. There's also a cream version if you want to try that. Like, maybe when you're putting in your braids, instead of putting like shea butter, you can just put it on your hair. Some people do that, but I prefer the spray because like I can use it at any point. Just spray and then my hair stops itching. What did you do to grow your hair? What cream are you using? To be honest, I don't use any specific cream. As you see, if you watch me from the beginning, I used to use Dark and Lovely, then I graduated to Mega Growth, now I'm graduating to RS. It's just a trial and error thing. I'm not using any cream. It's just like the methods I'm using to handle my hair. I don't take down my hair a month after using it. I make sure my hair can last more than a month, or up to 2 months, at most 3 months. I have carried braids for 3 months. The person that always preach this, the way I'm preaching it, is Sheyu Okimi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. She's natural now. She's cut off her relaxed hair. That part of her journey is over. She always emphasized on protective style and leaving your hair alone, and I did that, and my hair and that's when I started to see more of a like difference. Why is your hair so black? I don't know. I think I got it from my dad, because my mom's hair is a bit brown. I don't know. My hair is just naturally very, very black. I'm surprised you noticed that. How to repair heat damage? Yeah, I had heat damage too last year because like my hair was fried. But always moisturize your hair and cut off your ends. Don't be hanging on to those ends. Try and use a really hydrating conditioner. Also, stop using heat, babe. No matter how much you use heat protectant on your hair, if you use too much heat, your hair is gonna fry off. Don't put oil before you apply heat on your hair. I don't know whether I'm an idiot and I did not know that. But do not put oil or any cream that's not water-based. Put like leave-in conditioners that are water-based on your hair. Then you can blow dry it or straighten it as much as you want. Then you put the oils. Because if you put an oil that is not, I think argan oil is okay to put when you're straightening your hair. But if you put an oil like avocado oil, coconut oil, your hair is going to fry. The routine here in this video was a relaxer day routine. If you want to see a video where you can just like your wash day routine, a simple wash day routine, I'll link it here. It's literally just 2 minutes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah.